boys and girls? Welcome to Growing Guitar and to a great song here from Lil Peep, Lil Tracy. Collab there, I Crash, You Crash. All right, nice title. And that's the same relationship between me and you guys. Without you, I crash. So thank you for being here and thank you for highlighting certain songs on Wish Wednesdays, Wish Weeks, and everything that's coming up here on Growing Guitar, being here on this channel. Thank you so much. All right, let's go into the song. And we have a 3-chord song here. We have a capo on first. That's the absolute best scenario for us. Let's start with the chords and go into the sweet melody notes that we're gonna learn here. So first we have the B minor, that's the chord. And you're gonna place your index finger on the 2nd fret and push down 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. So all strings except from the last E string, you don't need that one. You push down them there on the 2nd fret and then you need to add 4th on G, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Next chord is the A6. Still a bar chord, you can say, because you want to have the open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and 2nd E. Okay, you see my trouble here? All these fingers pretty much in the same spots? No, you want to play it with a bar. Simple like that, just a bar on the 2nd fret, and you push down the 2nd D, G, B, and E like that. All right? Much easier to go that route. All right, that's the A6 chord. Next is the G6 chord. And you're gonna play now 3rd on E, and that finger, mid finger, and lean that on top of the next A. So it gets muted like that. And then we continue with open D, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And there we have the chords and the incorporation through the entire song. B minor, A6, and G6. All right, we'll come to the strumming later. Now, let's go into the melodies here and the patterns of how to pick the notes. So we're gonna start with B minor. It goes like this. Okay. So I suggest you have your index finger on the 2nd fret A, and then you work with the ring finger on the 4th fret D string. So you're gonna play 2nd A, open D, 2nd A, 4th D, 2nd A, open D, 2nd A, open D. Slowly. Tempo. Okay, that's the B minor part. Then you have the A6 part. You're gonna go up to this position, all right? So I suggest you have the mid finger on the 5th fret E string and your index on the 4th fret A. That's what you're gonna work with. And one round goes like this. Okay, so that is slowly 5th fret on E string, then 4th on A, back to 5th on E, then 4th on D, 5th on E, then open D, 5th E, open D. So. Tempo. All right, and then we have the final G6 chord. It goes like this. So I suggest you have the mid finger now on the 3rd fret E string, and you're gonna work with the ring finger on the 4th fret D and your index on the 2nd fret G. Okay, so you're gonna play 3rd fret E, then open D, 3rd E, 4th D, 3rd E, open D, 3rd E, 2nd G, third E, second G, third E, fourth D, third E, open D, third E, and open D. So slowly this round goes. And that is the end of that melody, all right? So this one could be a little bit tricky to begin with. That's why I give you this finger setting as well. That's how I believe it's the easiest way, at least for me, to handle this. And maybe you'll find a better way for you that fits you better. But anyway, it could be a little bit challenging to begin with just to nail it. So I suggest you practice very slowly and just learn and like build it in your muscle memory and then work your speed up gradually. So slowly one round goes like this. Any tempo. Alright, so there we have one round of that melody. You can actually play like that from the beginning till the very end, but now we will look into the strumming world. So to break out a little bit from that melody and relax with some strumming. So let's grab the full chords now, the B minor. And we have a two-part strumming here. They are very, very similar, so pretty much one string around is what you need, but yeah, some differences there. Anyway, one round of strumming, down, up, clap, up, down, up, okay? So. Down, up, clap, up, down, up. Down, up, clap, up, down, up, okay? That is one round, but then the second round, or that is actually first part, the second part will be a pause, and then you start on the up, okay? So you take away the first down and start on the up, clap, up, down, up. So to connect these two parts, it will be down, up, clap, up, down, up, pause, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so that will be one full long strumming pattern. So with part one and part two, the only thing that differs there is the first down. So what you're gonna play now is B minor, part one, the down, up, clap, up, down, up. Then you go to the A6 and play part two, up, clap, up, down, up, with a short little pause in between there. And then you have the G6 to play full string around, both part one and part two. So it will sound like this. Alright guys, so that is how I handle Lil Peeps and Lil Tracy's I Crash, You Crash, We Crash. Alright, so anyway, hope you enjoyed this guys, and until next time, play tuned.